Alright everybody, this is RCKC74 and this is the MONSTER-2 Retro unboxing by Castle Creations. Got the normal foam, quick start guide, yep, got some decals. Ooh, I like the lightning bolts. Yeah, I like that. Looks like it's all gray, got small ones. Got the driver's ed guide, and here it is. Let's get it out, check it out. That stuff there. Just as I thought, 6.5 millimeter bullets. It doesn't have a sensor wire for it, I don't believe. I think this is just mostly for speed runs and bashing. It's going to be applied to a 8-scale touring car. Now, I don't know if I'm going to be able to pair this motor to it or not, because this Tekin 1900 kV motor, Gen 3 T8, has a sensor wire. And I am not positively sure if I can run this motor without a sensor wire. That is something I did not look into before I started this video. But afterwards, or in the comments below, I will know that answer. And I want to apply it to a touring car build, 8-scale, the Serpent. That's what I want to do. So here is Monster X. This is the one people usually use for drag racing. And this Retro is just, is it bigger? It seems beefier, but is it? No, it's the same. It's just the graphics on it that make it look a little, well, it is slightly bigger. Slightly bigger. It's slightly bigger. There's probably capacitors in the back of this. This is more extended out. That's probably where they have some built-in capacitors. This doesn't, yeah, the back of it's not that big though. Yeah. So this Retro is just slightly a little bigger than the X, but they both have the same 6.5 millimeter bolt. A millimeter bullets, and it is a little thicker, slightly a little thicker, probably by a millimeter or something. So when you get this, you guys gotta remember, okay, this is A, B, and C. That's where you connect it, because it is not on here. So when you guys are soldering this thing up and hooking up the motor and stuff, just remember to look where A, B, and C go. A, B, C. So you don't blow something out. But I'm not going to go too long in it. You can look up and look at all the tech stuff. I'm going to connect XT90 connectors to it, or the other ones that are super good. I have this one hooked up to XT90s, but this hasn't been hooked up yet because I'm waiting for the 6400 kV Castle motor to come out. And well, they're making more of them, and I'll be getting that one when they're finally done. And with this right here, if I'm not able to use this motor, then I'll just hook up the 15 Castle motor, or just go all the way and get to 1720, which will probably be better for it, because that motor's 6S2 and this is a 6X ESC. So just wanted to show you that real quick. Nothing long, nothing special, just an unboxing of the Monster-2 Retro limited edition. It's only one-time run by Castle Creations. That's it.